Ready to level up your crypto trading game? First, head to Kraken and log in with your existing Kraken account credentials. If you're new, you'll need to create an account and complete the verification process. Security first. People, once logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll see the price chart of your chosen crypto, the order book showing buy and sell orders, and a recent trade history. Take a moment to let it all sink in. Now, let's get some funds into your account. Click on the Funding tab, choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, and carefully copy the deposit address. Send your crypto from your wallet to this address. Patience is key. Deposits can take a few minutes. Ready to trade? Find the new order form here. You can choose your order type. A market order buys or sells at the current price. A limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to buy or sell at, and a stop loss order triggers a market order when the price hits a certain point, helping you minimize losses. Let's place a limit order. Enter the price you want to buy or sell at, the amount of cryptocurrency, and click buy or sell. Your order will now appear in the order book and will be executed when the price reaches your limit. Keep an eye on your open positions. In the Positions tab here, you can track your profit or loss and manage your margin. If you're using leverage, remember, trading involves risk, so manage your portfolio wisely and consider diversifying. Finally, to withdraw your funds, go back to the Funding tab and select Withdraw. Enter the withdrawal address and the amount you want to withdraw. Double check the address to avoid any errors. And that's it. Happy trading.